What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology Zone. This is tutorial 25 and today's topic will be how to chat with your JSON documents using LlamaIndex. Okay, so let's say you have one JSON document and you want to get some insight out of it, or maybe you want to do some sort of question answering kind of uh, question answering kind of a structural way of getting some statistical insight from any JSON documents. Okay, so for those type of use case, maybe this is the right way of doing it. Yeah, obviously a couple of months ago we have done the similar thing using LangChain, and here I'll be just going to do it with the LlamaIndex. But one thing I would like to uh, say here, if your JSON document is simple and there is no multi-level hierarchies involved, then probably LlamaIndex is the best way of doing it, because it requires less amount of coding and you don't have to do a lot of additional stuffs here. Okay, and but if your JSON document is maybe hierarchical, maybe multiple, like parent, child, and then another child is involved, then it's better to use LlamaIndex, or maybe you can use some MongoDB. Okay, because if you have multi-level hierarchy within your JSON document, then probably this sort of things will be little bit difficult. Okay, so let's move ahead with the next slide. But before I move ahead with the next slide with the actual tutorial, couple of things. If you're watching this channel for the first time, thank you very much for watching this channel. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, share all the videos with your family and friend, and don't forget to hit the bell notification icon. And if you are already an existing member of our channel but you haven't subscribed yet, so please subscribe to my channel, because see guys, the moment you are start subscribing to my channel, my audience base will increase, and this will actually help me to gain a lot of new audiences, right? And the moment YouTube algorithm sees that my audience base is increasing and the viewers are subscribing, they also push my videos to the large number of audience, and my ultimate objective is to reach large number of audience, right? So please help me to grow, and I'm promising that I always come back with nice and quality content. Okay, so that's it, enough of self marketing promotion. So let's move ahead with the next actual slide. So chat with JSON document, right? So here we'll use JSON analyze module from LlamaIndex, and JSON analyze module or query engine rely on SQLite utilities. So you have to install the SQLite utilities using pip install. Okay, that's it. Now let's start working with the actual part. Maybe minimize this thing and go here. Okay, so if you say I already created a simple JSON here, okay, and basically it has maybe hundreds of employees, right? And how I generate with the script. I'll be just going to give you all the script. This is for generating 100 employees simple JSON. Okay, so if you run this thing, this is going to generate this file. Okay, I already generated, so I won't be able to going to do this thing, but I'll be just setting this source code with from my GitHub repository, so you can easily do it by your own. Okay, so now let's start working on the next part, that is we have to actually read this JSON file. Okay, so what I do, I'll just going to create a read json.py. Okay, because we want to read the JSON first. Okay, because without reading the JSON you won't be able to actually parse it. So first thing first, import JSON, right? And then we have to actually create read file. Okay, and there is a function like this, and there I'll be just going to make it a file, right? And what will happen, so I have to first open the file, right? So with open, then file, and I want to open the file in read mode, right, as F1, right? Next thing what will happen, we'll be going to read the file, and then I'm going to return. So data equals to JSON dot load, and there I'll be just going to F1, and return data. That's it. I don't think so it's required. Now what we'll do, now let's main.py, all done, right? So from llama index dot code, let me check whether we have to actually import this JSON query analyze thing. Okay, so query engine, import JSON analyze query engine. One is done. Then we have to actually import this this module from read JSON. Okay, import read file. And now one more thing we'll be going to import, that is the OpenAI LLM from llama index.llms.openai import what is this. Okay, done. Now let's set up the LLM first. OpenAI, and I'll be just going to set model equals to GPT-4. Oh, done. Okay, now the interesting thing will start. So we'll be going to set up the query engine first. Okay, so okay, list of dict. So basically list of dict means this file will be coming. So read file, and there will be just going to pass the file name, and this is the file name, copy path, and that's it, right? Then LLM equals to LLM and verbose equals to true. Our query engine is ready. Now we'll set response equals to query.query, and there I'll be just going to ask question, how many employees are there. Okay, and print response, and this is not engine, this is query engine, sorry, it is my mistake. Query. Okay, all done, right? Let's see how many employees are there. So yeah, obviously, as I said, it has only 100 employees, so it is able to do it. Okay, so now let's see. Now let's ask some different question. Okay, so let's see. Who takes maximum vacation days? Okay, right? See, let's see. Who has maximum vacation days? Let's see. It's a little bit complex, but I don't know whether it will be able to get it or not. Yeah, so see, Jeffy Romero has the maximum vacation with total 30 days. Okay, so it's able to do it. This is amazing. So let's ask next thing. Okay, so maybe ask this little bit different way. Okay. Which city employee lives? Okay, I know the English is not rightly written, but I'm just want to test whether it is understands or not. Okay, see, employee this lives in Daniel Fort. Okay, let's see. New Daniel Fort. Okay, okay, okay. So when your English is not properly written, but it understands. Okay. So three question I ask and all question it gave me correct answer. Now I want to ask little bit different question. Hmm, manager ID. Manager ID. Uh, I just want to think. Okay. Manager ID. Manager ID. Let me see whether manager ID itself is available here or not. Okay. 2810. Okay, so we have only one manager with this name. Okay. So what I can do, what is the employee ID? Okay, let's ask a different question. How many employee belongs to finance department? Okay, let's see. Give me the count of employees belong to finance department. Okay, and here like this. Okay, total 26. Can you give me the IDs for them as well? This is a little bit difficult. Let me see whether it is able to do it or not. Yeah, it's able to do it. Okay, give me the count of employees. Give me the email IDs. Let's ask the email. Okay. Now it is not able to do it. Okay, why it is not able to do it? Let's see. Item one with the least email address, another with the count of. Okay, select email. Okay, basically, yeah, it is not able to give me the answer. This will give you two separate results, and then okay, so what I'll do, I refresh this thing. Department, can you give me the email for them as well? Can you give me? Okay, give me the. Okay, let's do it in a different way. Can you give me the email? Give me the. Okay, let's do it in a different way. Give me the email of employees who belong to department. So I make it little bit simplified. Let's see whether it is able to do it or not. So maybe if LlamaIndex team is actually watching this thing, maybe they will fix it. Okay, so see, when I ask a little bit hierarchical or complex question, it is not able to ask it, but I ask the same question is a more simpler format, it is able to do it, right? Okay, so if you ask me like out of 100 how much I should rate, so maybe I can rate it 90 95, but still a lot of scope of like improvement. Okay, so let me ask a different question. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so let's ask this question. Okay, okay. List top 5 email in ascending order as per vacation days. Okay, so top 5 email IDs in ascending order means uh, first least, then least lesser, then like that way. Okay, let's see. I don't know whether it is actually going to do it or not. Yes, so order with the vacation days. Okay, let's see who has the less number of vacation. It says this email ID. Okay, so let's verify the fact. Okay, so let's go here. So how many vacation? It has 10 vacation there. Then let's go here. It is also having 10. So let's go and check here. Bradley 34. Maybe it is also having 10. Yeah, no, it's 11. So it is doing in a correct way, I think so. Okay, so obviously it is doing in a correct way. But now again, list of 5 email in ascending order as per vacation days. Email and vacation days. Okay, let's see. I want email and vacation days together. Let's see whether it is able to do it or yes, it is able to do it. Now let's make it little bit complicated. Let's make it top 15. Okay, super, it is able to do it. Now let's make it little bit different. Email department. So I want to actually check the distribution of vacation days left for the employee. So we'll understand which department employees are actually took less number of vacation till now. Maybe some realistic fact. Okay, cool. So it is able to do it. So I am actually amazed, but sometime it is not able to give me the correct answer. Okay, so now you guys understood that you have a very powerful tool available here, and within 3 lines of code you can actually analyze the entire JSON by your own. Okay, right. So that is the thing. I believe we can conclude the video over here, but I'm excited, like this sort of things are really helpful. So I would recommend all of you guys to try and test and try this thing, or maybe try and test this thing in a different way, and after that try to write down the code by your own, and after that generate your own JSON and try to play around with this thing. And if you have some complex use case, you can try something to build or extend on top of this thing. And if you have some difficulties, please let me know, because see, when you start working for a company, you won't get this sort of simple use case, rather you will be going to get some sort of difficult use cases, right? So this is the high time that you should learn and practice those things. So whenever you are going to get or start working for your client or company, or maybe your final year or college project, maybe those things will be really helpful. Okay, so I'll be just going to conclude the video over here, but before I conclude, please put some comment and let us know if these videos are helping you, if it is really helping you to learn your things for your college or for your studies or for your job. Please let us know, have some sort of feedback, because those sort of like positive feedback will motivate us, and that will also help a YouTube algorithm to rank the videos for the right people. Because see, if you put a positive comment and if you think these videos are helping you to solve your problem, so comments are very important. So it will help YouTube to rank the videos as per the algorithm, and also it will help me to gain some sort of motivation. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because subscriber count is very important for me, because I'm uploading regular videos on regular basis and all are use case driven. So I'm looking for some sort of help from all of you guys. Please help me to grow, and I promise I always come back with nice and quality content. Okay, so that's it for today. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, have a nice day and happy learning.